So today in this video, I'm going to be doing a headband wig. I already have a mini silk press hair going on. So this actually works perfect for me because I don't have to worry about my hair being too straight in the front. Now there is a little hole in my shirt underneath my armpit, so please ignore that. Don't be writing down below, I see a little hole, okay? I'm going to be using this curl to edge control, and I absolutely love this one. Just be careful. If you use a lot, you can break out around your edges, but just use like a good amount and make sure it's actually on your hairline and not really on your like skin, and just smooth that in. You really want to focus on having a really nice smooth foundation in the front specifically, because this is what everyone's going to see. It's a headband wig, so this part is really going to be exposed. I want to mention also, you don't have to have a silk press to have a flat foundation. Just simply do a gel ponytail. I'm going to be using these hook ties to go ahead and secure my pony. So this is where we're at now. We have a nice neat ponytail. Now put the wig on and make sure, this is really important because a lot of times people forget to do this, but make sure your combs are stuck into your hair really well, not too tight, and make sure your ponytail is in the wig. So if you lift it up, you should not be able to see your real hair sticking out the back. So that's important to tell you guys because sometimes people forget. Also, this wig is really high, as you can see on top of my head, and that's not going to fly. So we're going to have to flatten that down later on. But in the meantime, as you can see, the ends were a little bit dry, in my opinion. And so I wanted to go ahead and doctor it up a little bit. And I just put really heat on the hair and took my time flat ironing it. And it made it look a whole lot more lively. This is the perfect wig for a gym, and the reason why I'm saying that is because it's straight, it's short, it looks like it could be real hair. There's not much to this wig. The density is the perfect amount, and you can honestly just put this in a small ponytail, a low ponytail, and go from there. So really easy, very easy and manageable. And towards the end, I do show you guys a little bit of me trying to maneuver it if I were to go to the gym. Take your time, really flat ironing the hair row by row. All right, so we're here now. You can see the ends. They're just not my favorite, but a lot of times people are scared to trim or even cut their wigs. Sometimes you have to do that to make your wig look a little better, okay? So you don't have to cut much. We're just cutting the very tippy tip of the ends and making sure it looks straight and nice and neat so that it kind of mimics your real hair, or healthy hair, we should say, if your hair is not healthy. We should do it where it looks really good, so you can see it looks nice and even on both sides. So it's okay to trim a little bit off, but then you know me, I always get a little scissor happy, so here I am just layering it just so that it looks a little more realistic. I just like a layered look, to be honest. Remember how I told you guys how the top of the wig was really high? Well, yes, we need to solve that problem before we go further. So I like to use a hot comb or a curling iron, whatever is easiest for you to use, and what you have available in your homes is what you should be using. So hot comb does the job, curling iron does the job, and so does a wand. and just press down really hard on the top portion so that it's not like an egg shape up there. Look how good it looks if you were to put it in a ponytail. So I went ahead and put it in a ponytail just to show you guys how it would look. Again, using my hook tie because I feel like it's just like easier to do. I also feel like it doesn't leave any creases in your hair, which is important. So this is how it would look in the back. Super light, super easy, and yeah. Here it is in real time, slow-mo, or you can even pin it up, which I absolutely love this look as well. Again, great option for the gym, running out to the supermarket, running out to just pick up something really quick, to run errands. Love this wig for that. And then I went ahead and I'm gonna be doing my baby hairs. Now, I didn't want to speed this entire part up because a lot of times I get asked questions, do videos on this, so I figured I would just throw this little portion into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take my time. I only really do these two parts right here because I feel like it fits my face. And then I might do these little corners at the end. I don't got sideburns, but you know, this is the closest I'm gonna get to it. So I just take my time and I use the brush part of the edge control brush. You can use the comb, but this works for me. And then I might do a little scoopy whoop at the middle of my hairline. So here I am just showing you guys some of the quick little looks. Couple different angles and views. I went ahead and did my makeup. But I actually really like this wig. It's just so easy to put on and not much to do really. And the color was actually pretty cute. Then I wanted to show you guys how I would unwind. So I would literally come home, unsnap the wig, take the wig off my head, just like that. You could either put it on a mannequin head, or you can honestly, you know, I'm gonna be honest, I kind of throw my wigs down, but don't do that because then you gotta re-flat iron the wig. So put it down nice and neat, put your bonnet on, or your head tie. And that is all, guys. That you are set for the night. Wash your makeup off and you know.